Hi guys, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am super excited to show you my freebie that I just posted on the Facebook page 2 or 3 days ago. I'm just running a little bit late here. So yeah, this is the third freebie that I've offered. The other two can be found on my Facebook page as well. This one goes really well with the Summer's Bounty digital series that I just listed in my shop about a month ago. And I really love how it turned out. Tons of you guys have already downloaded it, which is super cool. So if you go over to the Junk Journal Studio on Facebook and just scroll down the page just a tiny bit, you will see a post with a picture of these on there, which the picture on there is just the low resolution of them, just to show you what you are downloading. But then there's a link that you can click on and it'll bring you into the high resolution images. There's 3 pages and I'm just going to give you a quick look here. So the first 2 pages here are 2 big tags and 2 pockets. So let's see. The 2 pockets are only slightly different, just in a little bit in the background here, and there's a cute little saying or quote there. And then the tags are almost identical, but the flowers are in different places, and then the script or the advertising ephemera in behind is different. But other than that, they're pretty similar. And so they come with 3 labels on each page and 2 tabs, as you can see. A journal card and another journal card right here. I really love that one. I love the color. Super, super pretty. So that's the first 2 pages. And then the last page is just some more fun ephemera that kind of works with this sort of theme. Basket of apple, ephemera piece, another one here, and then just a little blossom girl, some really pretty stamps that I designed, a cute little label that sort of matches the red check that you can see on the tags and on this basket of apple right here. And then a postcard with these 2 little girls sitting on an apple tree. And that is freebie number 3. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.